Now, even as the crime against women is rising at an alarming rate, instead of taking any kind of action, the Samajwadi Party leader are only busy listing out excuses for the rise in rapes. After Akhilesh, now Mulayam has targeted the media, asking it to do its job.
Even as Akhilesh government loses grip over the state, they continue to be the loose cannons. The chief minister ducking his responsibility, his father shooting the messenger.
अब देश के मैं आंकड़े देने लगूंगा तब भी आप मेरे पे सवाल करोगे। और आज का ज़माना तो गूगल का है। अगर आप इंटरनेट पे जाएं और गूगल करें तो आपको एक एक जानकारी मिल सकती है कि कहां पर घटना हुई है।
यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री कहते हैं कि अगर आप गूगल करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि उत्तर प्रदेश के अलावा बाकी सब जगह में भी रेप होते हैं। आपको लगता है उनका सब होना चाहिए?
आपका तो काम है, अपना कीजिए। मेरा काम अपना कर रहा हूँ, आज नहीं बोलूँगा।
And Akhilesh's uncle, the Samajwadi Party leader Ram Gopal Yadav, blaming the TV content.
कि वल्गैरिटी, ऑब्सीनिटी और वायलेंस टेलीविजन चैनल्स में दिखाई जाती है, वो लोगों को मानसिक रूप से विकृत बना रही है।
But such irresponsible statements on the face of multiple crime against women in the state just enraging the nation.
He's been entrusted with the responsibility of taking care of his state. If he can't follow up with that responsibility, he can definitely resign.
These ministers are saying, what they say is that TV is getting us corrupt. What I feel is these guys have watched pictures like Ganga Jal and gangs of Wasipur, and they have got totally corrupt.
Even the political parties are slamming the Samajwadi Party for running away from their responsibilities.
Why can't you put your foot down and say that one more rape in Uttar Pradesh and you will go to the gallows? One more rape in Uttar Pradesh, one more atrocity against a woman in Uttar Pradesh, and a very strict action will be taken.
Mulayam Singh lost power in 2007 because of law and order. Mayawati lost power in 2012 because of law and order. And Sapa has done, SC has done woefully badly, terribly badly in the Lok Sabha because of law and order.
The BJP even blaming the state government of a caste bias.
Though not on merits but on the basis of caste, the police have been given postings from the lower level to the district level. You cannot take action because that becomes your vote bank and that becomes your machinery during the election.
In fact, the glaring defiance of the SP trio, embarrassing the nation with the global agencies raising questions on the Indian leaders' mindset.
Many in India, we were horrified to learn of these violent sexual assaults and murders. Our thoughts are with the victims' families during this difficult time. And as we've said, changing laws and changing attitudes is hard work.
But the party at the center of it all is yet to learn its lessons and is still defending their leaders.
माननीय नेताजी के भाषण को जिस तरह से आप लोग दोहरा रहे हैं बार बार, मैं समझता हूं कि आप लोग समझे ही नहीं। उन्होंने बलात्कारियों के लिए कुछ नहीं कहा था, उन्होंने मौत की सजा के लिए कहा था कि मौत की सजा होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए। दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ द डिस्कशन।
From Bareilly to Badaयूं to Meerut, barbarism against women is on the rise. So will the Samajwadi Party, instead of making such loose statement, focus on cracking the whip? Bureau Report, Times Now.